If you've ever lost a car key or dealt with a broken key fob, you know how frustrating and expensive it can be to get a replacement from a dealership. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a more affordable alternative that might just save you a trip to the dealer and a chunk of your wallet. We're testing the 2 replacement car key fob keyless entry remote, compatible with a wide range of Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, and Mazda models from 1998 to 2016. Out of the box, these key fobs feel sturdy and well constructed, similar to what you would expect from an OEM part. The buttons are responsive with a solid click, and the overall design matches the original fobs closely, which is great for those who want a seamless replacement without any aesthetic downgrade. Each fob comes equipped with the necessary electronics and a transponder chip, which means these are not just for locking and unlocking your doors but are also capable of starting your car. Programming these fobs can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process, as it requires specific steps that might vary depending on your vehicle's model and year. The product does suggest contacting them if you're unsure about how to program the fobs yourself, which I think is a helpful touch. However, for many vehicles, especially the more common models listed in their compatibility chart, there are plenty of online resources and manuals that can guide you through the process. The compatibility list for these fobs is quite extensive, covering popular models like the Ford Escape, various years of the Ford Mustang, Lincoln Navigator, and even the Mercury Grand Marquis, among others. It's important to check this list carefully against your vehicle model and year to ensure that the fob will function as intended. Durability seems promising, though only time will tell how well they stand up to everyday wear and tear. The construction does not feel. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.